So I picked up these two old chainsaws. They are a poulan 306A. Picked them up when I found all that junk. Actually, I went back to that place where I found those car parts and I found these. So I took the cover out, I'm going to put some gas in there and see if she'll run, because these old things actually bring a pretty decent amount of money for non-running. Oh, that's dirty in there. Look at that. You see in there? That looks pretty dirty. I don't really want to put any gas in there, because then I'm going to try to ship it. I'm going to put some gas in the carburetor just so I can hear if it runs. So, got that one and this one. This one doesn't have a fuel cap on, so I bet that one's really dirty. Alright, helping you or wrecking you with the light? There you go. So, I'm going to see if I can get some gas in there. Just with a little thing. A little squeeze bottle, and see if I can get them to run. So, I got just a little bit of gas, to mix gas in here. Gas on as hard as a rock, otherwise I would say I was going to take that off there and try to feed it that way. But see if she's got any life in her. Whoa, listen to that girl. Doesn't have a chain on her. Well, we know that one will at least run, so I can say it. I can say at least I tried. It fired. These loud girls, those things are loud. Mama. Dad got a table saw, but this is what I got right here. I guess I got the tag the other way, but it's an international. I think it's a, what do you call it, hit and miss engine. I'll see if I can get it turned around. I don't know if you guys know anything about it. It's free. It's turning hard because of that right there, but it's free. It's got the magneto on it. I like to try to get that running just for the fun of it. And they got this little cover thing up here. I don't know if you put water in there or what you do. So you guys let me know down in the comments. Okay, here's a better view at it right here. They got some really weird big keyway thing going on down there. This must be the exhaust. And the valves here, I don't think they're stuck. I haven't really spent much time on it. Here it is right here. It's a 8 horsepower type LA engine, 3,500 RPM pulley speed, made in the USA, International Harvester. It says 1/2 to 2 1/2. So I was pretty intrigued by it. And right up here it's got a different thing, so you can set different speeds or something. Throttle it maybe, I don't know. Yeah, the valves are moving. Look at that. It's got compression. Wait till go to Boulder to see this. Oh, he didn't even pay attention. So I don't know where you put the gas in it. Maybe you put the gas in up here. I don't know really what to tell you here. So I need your help. Missouri Old Timer, need your help. Got all these little things here and trickets and things you turn and oh, I guess right here's where you put the gas at. Or the kerosene. You ever seen anything like this?
What do we got there?
It's a hit and miss engine.
Oh, really?
Yeah. It's an International Harvester LA engine. I got it from a garage I cleaned out.
Look at that.
Here's the flywheel. That's how you start it.
Just like at the old thrashing shows?
Yeah, pretty much. And the valves even move.
Yep.
It's got that lovely smell of gas, old kerosene or whatever it is. Take a whiff of that.
Oh, yeah.
Another rejuvenate.
That'll kill a horse.
Yeah, that will. Don't let Tess smell it. See, Fred doesn't even like it.
Oh, Fred will.
So this must be the exhaust, huh?
Yeah, I think so.
So I don't know. Hopefully somebody on here will tell us how to use this thing so I can figure out how to get started. Hope you have a good day. Talk to you later. Bye.